Hey everyone, welcome back to Cafe Amara. Russ here. Today we are going to make one of my favorite side dishes for Thanksgiving dinner. Cranberry sauce. Another reason to love fall. The gourds come out, the weather turns a little cooler, and we get fresh cranberries back on the store shelves. What a great time of year. I'm going to teach you how to make a simple cranberry sauce. Forget that crap you can buy in the can. Don't even eat that ever again. Buy fresh cranberries, 1 large orange, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and some water, and you can make the best cranberry sauce money can buy. And if you get invited to a holiday party, you got to bring a dish to pass, bring cranberry sauce and a little tub of ice cream. It impresses everyone, and it costs you less than $5. All right, guys? So let's stop talking about this. Let's just make this cranberry sauce. All right, for the first step when making a cranberry sauce is actually to get an orange and take the zest off the orange. Now, you want to be careful when you do this. You want to make sure you get just the orange zest and not the white flesh that's just underneath the zest. The white material that's just underneath the orange is very bitter. It will impart a very bitter flavor into your cranberry sauce. You want to try to avoid that by just using a microplane and going very slowly and very efficiently over the zest, collecting it and leaving the white stuff behind as best you can. Just like that, see? See how there's not much white stuff being revealed? Trust me, the addition of orange is going to elevate your cranberry sauce to the next level. So I could get more zest off of here, but I'm not going to risk it. We're going to make cranberry sauce now, so into a small to medium saucepan, just dump in the cranberries. Already washed them, so make sure you give them a good wash and then kind of go through them. Find any ones that have kind of dehydrated or appear to maybe have gone bad. Early in the season, you don't generally have this problem, so these all look actually pretty good. But if you see any during the process, just go ahead and pick them out, throw them away. All right, now add some water. Now the water is going to vary. I always add water just till I can see it. So right about there, maybe a little more. So I can just barely see the water. Turn the temperature up to about medium and let it get warm. Here comes the sugar. And blend it in. Of course, it's all going to dissolve. Eventually, once they start popping, we'll start to crush the berries against the sides of the container as well. Here comes the zest. Mix that in. And now we need the orange juice. Let that come back up to temperature. And if you want, you can start squishing them on the sides. Getting some of that nice cranberry flavor released. It's starting to smell really good in here. To me, this smells just like Christmas. Thanksgiving, Christmas, all those great holidays. You can see the red color coming in. All that nice cranberry juice. There, we're just about done, guys. Now, as you can see, it's quite runny, but it will thicken up as it cools. Now, this sauce is going to be amazing. Most people, when they hear cranberry sauce, they think of the stuff in the can. Don't touch it. I promise, don't touch it. This is better. I think we are about done, ladies and gentlemen. Let that cool down for at least an hour or two. Personally, I let mine sit overnight in the fridge and enjoy it the next day. Let it make sure it's good and cool and good and jellied. It is going to be good. Get a gallon of ice cream. Put this on the ice cream. The sweet and sour combination is to die for. All right, guys, so the cranberry sauce is ready. Rena's going to give it the old Collie's try. We're going to see how she likes it. Then I got a little surprise for her. Give it a try.
It's one of my favorites, so every season we just love it. It's just amazing because you have like that flavor of cranberries, but also all that flavor of the orange is like, oh, so good.
I was surprised.
It's sweet, but not too sweet.
This is how you should try cranberry sauce, in my opinion. just a little bit of vanilla ice cream. Give it a try. Put some of that on there and give it a go.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. So this deliciousness. That's how I enjoy cranberry cream. The cranberry sauce is just amazing with the ice cream.
Try it. Big scoop of vanilla ice cream, and a whole bunch of cranberry sauce. Really, really good.
I mean, look at this. Hello.
Look at the color. The color is beautiful. And?
Amazing. Love
That's
it.
how you enjoy cranberry sauce. If you don't have any turkey, vanilla ice cream is the next best thing. Alright guys, we're just going to chow down on that. I'm just going to say thank you guys for watching. We'll see you all next time. Please subscribe to our channel. Like this video. Slap that like button as hard as you can. Tell all your friends and family to slap it too. Leave a comment down below. Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. This is the perfect side dish to bring to any Thanksgiving party. Trust me, and it doesn't cost very much to make.
The cranberry sauce. The cranberry. Oh, sorry.
Go ahead. Keep going. Keep talking.
The cranberry sauce ready for the holidays. This is just amazing, and everybody will love it. Take care.
And they'll be surprised it didn't come from a can. Bye, guys.